told you that the difference between the YouTube video that get 1000 view and one that get 1 million view isn't luck, talent, or even content quality. It's understanding three fundamental systems that 99% of the creators completely ignore. So analytics, screenshot of viral video. This video right here 2.3 million views, and this one 8,000 views in just 2 weeks, and this channel went from 500 subscribers to the one uh, 1 lakh in 90 days using the exact system I am about to show you. I have spent the last 18 months reverse engineering the YouTube algorithm, analyzing over 10,000 viral videos and testing this strategy across 15 different channels. Today I am giving you the complete blueprint that took me from struggling creators to consistently viral content. By the end of this video, you will understand the three pillar system that makes the video explode, and psychological trigger that to force people to watch, and behind the scene optimization technique that YouTube algorithm reward. Let's dive in. Section 1, the algorithm fundamentals. Here's what most creators get wrong about YouTube. They think the algorithm is this mysterious black box that randomly decide which video to prompt. But after analyzing thousands of data points, I discovered it's actually three interconnected systems working together. System 1, the discovery engine. The first system is discovery and how your video get found in the first place. Has the four primary discovery methods: search, suggest video, and browse features like trending and external traffic. Most creators focus on just one of these, and but viral video dominate multiple discovery path simultaneously. Screen recording showing YouTube analytics traffic source. Look at this breakdown from one of my viral video. 35% came from suggested video and 28% from YouTube search, 22% from browser for features, and 15% from the external source. This multi-channel approach is what separates viral content from anything else. Section 2, the engagement amplifier. The second system measures how people interact with your content, and but here's the crucial part. It's not just about like and comments. YouTube track micro engagement, how quickly people click and how long they watch before scrolling, whether they expand the description, if they turn on notification. So engagement matrices dashboard. The algorithm uses these signals to determine content quality. A video with 90% retention and high click-through rate will always outperform one with more subscriber but lower engagement matrices. System 3, the longevity factor. This is the most overlooked system. YouTube reward content that maintains performance over time. Video that spike initially but drop off quickly get prioritized, but content that builds momentum gradually and sustains wave gets massive algorithm boost. Display graph showing sustained versus spike traffic pattern. Understanding this three system in your foundation. Now let's build on it with a psychological framework that makes video actually click and watch. The psychology of viral content. Like every viral video triggers specific psychological responses in viewers. I call this the impact framework. Six psychological triggers that make content irresistible. Your title and thumbnail must communicate instant value within 3 seconds. The human brain processes visual information 60,000 times faster than text. So your thumbnail is doing most of the habit lifting. Okay. Uh, Look at this thumbnail: bright, contrasting color, clear focal point, emotional expression, and text that creates curiosity. Compare that to the generic thumbnail with poor contrast and vague messaging. The difference in performance: 347% higher click through rate. Viral content creates what psychologists call information gap, the space between what we know, what we want to know. Your title should reveal enough to make interest but withhold enough to force the click. Instead of how to get more subscriber, try the 47-second rule that get 10x more subscriber. More creator never learn this. Same information, but now there's a mystery to solve: pattern interruption. Your content must break expected pattern to maintain attention. This could be visual, changing camera angle every 3 to 5 seconds, audio, varying your speaking pace and tone, or structure, using unexpected transition between topics. Notice how I just shift the energy. That's the intentional pattern interruption, keeping your brain engaged. Authority and social proof. Should People follow crowd and trust expert. Wave and credibility indicators that throughout your content, statistics and case studies result from the other creators, but don't just state them, visualize them. So credibility elements state testimonial and result. Cognitive load optimization. Viral videos are easy to process mentally. Use simple language, clear visual and logical progression. The harder your content is to understand and the faster people leave. Okay, so create a reason for immediate action. Limited time offer trending topics and before it's too late. Messaging. Even educational content benefits from urging framing. Now the that's that's you understand the psychology. Let's get into the technical optimization that makes algorithm notice your content. So this section 3, technical optimization secret. This is where most creators fail. They create good content but miss the technical element that signal quality to YouTube algorithm. I am going to show you the exact optimization checklist I use for every viral videos. Pre-upload optimization. First, your video file itself matter. YouTube algorithm actually analyze your video before it goes live. Here's what I do for every upload. Screen recording of video preparation, export at 1080 megapixel, minimum and 4K when possible. Use H.264 codecs for compatibility and keep the file size under 128 GB. Okay, but don't compress quality. YouTube processing algorithm work better with the high quality source file. Audio is crucial. Export to 48K HZ sample rate. Studio with the consistency level and poor audio quality is an instant algorithm penalty. Strategic metadata optimization. Your title need to balance searchability with clickability. I use this formula: emotional hook plus specific benefits plus curiosity element. So title optimization example for description. Most creators write for human wrong approach. The first 125 characters are searchable. Pack them with keyword, but here's the advanced technique: use a systematic keyword throughout. Instead of just YouTube tips, include variation like YouTube growth strategy, YouTube algorithm hack, viral video technique. YouTube algorithm understand context and rewards comprehensive topic coverage. Tag and category strategy. Tags aren't about what you think. They are about YouTube uses them for the context and discovery, not ranking. Your primary tag should be your exact target keyword. Then add variation, related terms, and broader category tag. Demonstrate tag strategy with example. Category selection impact your competition pool. Choosing education put you against different content than entertainment. Research where your topic performs best. Advanced uploading timing. Upload the timing isn't just about when your audience is online. It's about when YouTube process system have optimal capacity. I have tested this extensively. Uploading between 2 to 4 p.m. EST get processed faster and receive better initial distribution. First, our strategy. The first 60 minutes after publishing are critical. This is when YouTube algorithm decide your video trajectory. I have a specific protocol for maximizing this window. So engagement strategic diagram. Post in the community forum, share to social media, engage with early comments immediately and monitor analytics for any red flag. Video that performs well in the first hour get massive algorithmic boost. Case study and example. Let me show you this system in action with 3 real case studies from the channel I have worked with. Case study 1: Tech channel transformation. This channel was stuck at the 5,000 subscribers with the video average 2,000 views. After implementing this system, their next video hit 4 lakh views in 2 weeks. So before and after analytics, here's what was changed. The title went from JavaScript tutorial for beginner to I built the same app in 5 programming languages. The result will shock you. Same educational content but now with the mystery and specific and emotional hook. The thumbnail shifted from generic code screenshot to a split screen comparison with a contrasting color and a surprised facial expression. Click through rate increased from 3.2 to 11.7%. We optimize for the multiple discovery path targeting both JavaScript tutorial, searching and programming comparison and suggested video. The result multi-channel discovers the sustainable growth. Case study 2 Educational channel breakthrough. An educational channel teaching productivity was plateauing at 50,000 views per video. They wanted to break into viral territory without compromising educational values. Display growth matrices. We applied the impact framework, created curiosity gap in title, used pattern interruption with visual storytelling, and added a social proof through real user result. The winning video Why Successful People Wake Up at 4 a.m. It's not what you think. The content was still educational, but the framed as a mystery solving rather than instruction giving. Why successful people wake up at 4 a.m. It's not what you think. Result 1.2 million views, 15,000 new subscribers, and established their authority in the productivity space. Case study 3 Complete channel pivot. This creator had 3,000 subscribers but was burned out on their content. They wanted to pivot into a new niche without losing their audience. We use the three system approach to bridge their existing audience to new content. Started with a hybrid video that connect their older expertises to the new topic, gradually shifting focus while maintaining the algorithmic momentum. So transition strategic timeline. 6 months later, successfully pivoted niche grew to 150,000 subscribers and maintained 80% of the original audience while attracting the new viewers. The key insight from all the cases, the system work across niche, channel size, content type, and it's not about the gaming the algorithm. It's about understanding how it serves viewers and aligning your content accordingly. So conclusion, call to action like here's what we have covered today: the three system framework that drives YouTube algorithm, the impact psychology model that make content irresistible, and the technical optimization secret that signal quality to YouTube. But the knowledge without action is worthless. Your next video is your opportunity to implement this system. Start with one element, maybe it's optimizing your thumbnail using contrast and curiosity principle we discussed, or reconstructing your title to include emotional hook and specificity. Pick one technique and master it before moving to the next. I have created a complete implementation checklist with all the technical specifications, psychological trigger, and optimization technique from this video. You can download it free in the description below. If this simple help you understand YouTube differently, smash that like button and tells the algorithm to share this with other creators who need to see it. Subscribe for more deep dive content creation strategy and ring the notification bell so you never miss new techniques. Drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway from this video and I read every comment and often create follow-up video based on your question. Your next viral video is optimized way. The question is, are you going to be the creator who takes action or one who stays stuck at 1000 view? The algorithm is await. Your audience is waiting. The only things missing is your commitment to implementing this system. I will see you in the next video and where we are diving deep into the psychology of viral thumbnail and exact formulas I use to get 15% of the click throughout the rate consistency. Until then, keep creating, keep optimizing, and remember, every viral creator started exactly where you right now.